When it comes to renovating and redecorating your home, the excitement is real, but so are the challenges. That's where self-storage comes in, making your journey towards a revamped living space smooth and hassle-free. Let's explore 3 ways you can use self-storage to transform your home. Home renovations can get messy, but they also present a fantastic opportunity. Imagine having a clean, clutter-free canvas to bring your design dreams to life. By storing your furniture and seasonal decor in a secure self-storage unit, you free up valuable space in your home. No more navigating around bulky furniture or worrying about accidental paint splatters on your cherished belongings. We all have those sentimental items that we hold dear. Whether it's your grandma's antique chair or your child's first drawing, these treasures deserve protection during renovations. Self-storage ensures that your beloved possessions stay safe and sound. Climate control units prevent damage from extreme temperatures, humidity, or dust, so your memories remain intact no matter how long your renovation journey takes. Redecorating is a fantastic way to breathe new life into your space. However, it can be challenging when your rooms are filled with bulky furniture and decor. Self-storage allows you to transition smoothly between design ideas. You can temporarily store items that don't fit your new vision, making it easier to try out different looks and create a fresh atmosphere that truly reflects your style. So, whether you're renovating, preserving memories, or redecorating, self-storage is the key to making your home transformation journey a breeze. Ready to revamp your space? Visit Arcos Self-Storage at www.arcostorage.com for clean, safe, and secure storage options.